President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni erizoba yasekiro cha kabiri arukuronda karuru omuchanga cha Acholi. Museveni abanwoya yabahaburo butategerezo kutunguka kwa bona bito kwejumbiro mu kuhangahangaho baketunguraho naho abantu mu district ezi bamuraganso kumuha bushagici ahabwe ntungu ayabaretire na mnonga sente za parish development model. Chairman wa NRM omurunwoya Mego Adokorach Mary yasima president ahabwe kutungura obuhinji n'oburisa district age.
Your Excellency, in Omoro district we are very peaceful. We congratulate you because in every home there is need for a father, a grandfather, children, a mother. That is how the structure of NRM is. So in every stable family needs all the category. That is why we have the leagues in all the categories in the NRM party.
Mego yashaba president okubayamba ahabinyamishwa ebirukurugo mu Murchison Falls bikatahirira maka n'emisiri y'abatura.
Omoro district so far at the beginning of the PDM has received 19 billion shillings, 975 million shillings, 361,510. So far PDM has supported 19,902 households in Omoro district. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
President Museveni omukugamba kwe yabanza kwisya boko ebyabireho omurutaro rwabiro omuchanga cha bukizi bwa bumosho obwihanga.
And so is Lonyo.
Kumeno bene lokum Lonyo.
Lonyo is mine, or my family, or my company.
Lonyo berum megi I oti I guak tul teach ma yini yobu ma megi Lonyo berum megi.
So this is the message. We differed with the other groups in the 1960s.
Ena ye lok ma ene chako wachene chon I jo chane ni chake mwaka piera bichel kiwiye.
The others were saying development, development without Lonyo.
Yeno bere ka waja mwaka eno ni kinen lokadon lobo kala loka gudi gi jema eno kwano ene wachipe kage lokadon lobo ma peke loka tan ti pe worma be.
Now in the cattle corridor the people listened to our message after a long struggle of explaining.
Oguyajangu ihanga n'oburabe lyabiri lyombwebembezi bw'abazungu hakaba hakiruho entaroze enganda n'amadini bita abazungu bagenzire abebembeza babandizeho bakaremerwa kuretaho businje omuchanga eki cya Karamoja. Museveni najangwa umuhekera Joseph Kony akasimba makando omuchanga eki kandi government ye ikamurwanisa okuretaho businje obari besimira mu bwahati. President yashomesa hante ezirukamwa mateminji no kutunga embuzi no koresa kurungi sente za parish development model.
This man is not Jomukwano.
Tawni en magunu neno ni la choni eni pekin Jomukwano.
He is Munyacharo. Vileja.
Museveni nabo yashoborra aho basya okurihirira abo abatungire butandu omurutaro rwa Joseph Kony gasha kwa Edwin Ram.